Hello friends, welcome back to Crafty Home ARK. Today's video is a different video from all my other videos. Today I'll be showing you some easy shuffle dance tutorial. So let's get started. Turn to your right side and lift your left leg up and your right leg a bit back. Now keep your left leg down and bring your right leg to the front and keep them down. Now left leg to the front, now right leg to the front and keep it down. You will continue like this. This step is known as a running man. So this looks like. So now for the second one. This is very easy. Keep your legs crossed and bring them back and stand on your heels and again back. Now again you have to keep it crossed, bring them back and stand on your heels, bring them back and cross. You have to continue this same step. So let me see how this step look like. So for the third step, keep your legs crossed and take your back leg and bring it to the front and keep it across. Now the next leg also you'll bring it and keep across. You have to bring all back legs to the front and keep it across. This is really easy. Now let's see how this step looked like. So for the next one, this is the last step which I'm going to show you. Keep your legs inside, now bring it outside. Again you have to keep it inside then outside. You have to keep on moving for this step to your right and to your left. Now let me show you how this step look like. Now I'm mixing all the steps together. So hope you all enjoyed my channel and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. And I will soon make the second part of this video. Till that I'm signing out from Crafty Home ARK. Bye.